Hello friends, warm welcome to this video. How to uninstall and restore the Windows built-in apps. Are you struggling to remove built-in Windows apps that you never use? Or did you accidentally uninstall an important app and now need it back? In this video, we'll show you the easiest ways to uninstall and restore Windows built-in apps. Let's get started. Uninstall Windows built-in apps using Settings. Open the Settings app by pressing Window+I on your keyboard. Click on Apps, then select Apps and Features. Scroll through the list to find the app you want to uninstall. Click on an app and then click on the Uninstall button. Click on the Uninstall button again and confirm when prompted. 2. Restore all built-in apps using Windows Reset without losing files. Open Settings by pressing Window+I. Click on the Update and Security option. Click on the Recovery from the left pane, under Recovery Options, and in the Reset This PC on the right pane, click on the Get Started button. Follow the on-screen instructions, and Windows will reinstall all built-in apps. Now you know how to uninstall and restore Windows built-in apps with different methods. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Press the bell icon to get updates on new tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.